Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy and juicy fried chicken. I wash well and clean the chicken legs and add black pepper, MSG, or you can add salt if you have, and the AllSpice. AllSpice is very important on this recipe. It balances the flavor well and smells really good. In a separate bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I add AllSpice on this mixture and also salt. Mix all together and start coating the chicken. Need to coat the chicken properly. Open the skin and also coat under. It makes the chicken skin very crispy later on. Continue this procedure and then start cooking. Prepare cooking pot and put oil. Once the oil starts to boil, add the chicken. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Once the chicken turns into golden brown, remove them from the oil. Move the chicken first on a plate with a wax paper to remove the excess oil. Transfer the chicken on a plate and serve. I will show you how the chicken look like inside. The skin is very crispy and the meat is juicy. The sauce I made for this is made of sesame oil, sesame seeds, salt, and black pepper. I add on the description below on how to make the sauce for this chicken. Hope you enjoy my recipe today. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe on my channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.
Ganito tong
Ano?
biha.
Mabuting init naman.
Gusto man sige.
Ah, init tayo.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.